Hello everyone, and how is it going? I hope your day is treating you right. Chris here at Earn to Trade, bringing you 4 areas off of my charts that I'm going to be watching as I trade, and I'm going to tell you why. Let's take a look at the NQ and go down 3 lines, which is going to bring us to 15250. This is currently, at the time of this video, being treated as an area of support after breaking back above it and back testing as support. If we continue to move up off of it, I have an area just above marked off at 15390. This is an area that has already functioned as resistance twice very recently, and it was a very centralized point of control for a while in the past. If we break above it, gain into support a bit higher than that, my eyes jump up to 15575. It's a weird number, but heavy resistance to the left, heavy support when it gets on top of it. And down below where price is trading, we have one area marked off at 14990, way down here. Yes, it is close to the 15000, but really it seems more magnetized around that 14990 in my opinion. I'll be watching this area as well if we do fall down. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.